Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for October 26, 2013. It's currently 7:52 a.m. and it is chilly out there. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 20s in some of the interior locations, like in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania, Connecticut. Everywhere else, temperatures are in the mid 30s. The warm spot is Philadelphia at 39 degrees. In short, it is pretty chilly out there, and pretty much this is the end of the growing season for pretty much everyone at this point, with temperatures hitting freezing last night in many locations except for Long Island. So, it's cold out. Is it going to get any better? Well, I got some good news for the next 7 days, so a little bit of good news, especially for Halloween. For today, expect clear skies for the most part, with winds developing out of the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour, and also temperatures rebounding into the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior and lower to mid 50s along the coast. On the latest surface map, we have high pressure starting to shift off the coast, and we have a strong cold front that will be moving through tonight. Now, there won't be any precipitation with this cold front, but it will drive another polar air mass, another reinforcing shot for the start of next week. So tomorrow is going to be a little bit more windy. Winds from the northwest and west around, let's say, 10 to 20 miles per hour. And we'll also see cooler temperatures. Yes, I know. It's getting chilly out there. And it's only October. Here is our latest satellite map, and you can see that cold front moving through. Now, much of this is lake enhanced, and once it moves away from the lake, well, there goes all your moisture, as we have a very dry air mass in place. So again, this cold front won't produce much in the way of precipitation, but will reinforce our cold air that is currently in place. This high pressure system gives way for another one, producing tranquil conditions into next week. Here's the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website using the European model guidance. Once again, for today, high pressure is in control. Tomorrow, that cold front rapidly moves off the coast. High pressure is still in control, let's say by the time you wake up Sunday morning, with dry conditions throughout much of the region. There's some additional clouds. Tomorrow's temperatures, because of the cold front passage, will not be as cold in the morning. We're only looking at, let's say, upper 20s to mid 30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s along the coast. For highs tomorrow, look for generally lower to mid 50s over the interior, mid 50s along the coast and in your urban locations. On Monday, high pressure takes control with another cold front passage early in the morning. Again, no precipitation, just a bit of a wind shift. Other than that, high pressure will be in control, clearing skies, comfortable weather conditions. Temperatures again remaining below normal. We're looking at high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s along the coast. Lower 50s for the most part, around 50 degrees over the interior. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High pressure in complete control for Tuesday and for Wednesday. And for all you wondering about Halloween, high pressure will be in control as well. A dry, comfortable Halloween could be expected, and boy do we need it, with temperatures rebounding to pretty much near normal levels. Upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. So it's going to be very comfortable out. Keyword here, dry. Winds from the southwest picking up to about 5 to 15 miles per hour, but overall a very enjoyable day for Halloween. So if you have plans to go out, and I know many of you do, no worries for any storms whatsoever. And then for the first day in November, we're going to warm up very nicely into the mid to upper 60s ahead of a strong cold front. And then for the Sunday morning time period, I think this is going to be specifically for Sunday morning, look for very heavy rain next week with the passage of this cold front. I don't think severe thunderstorms, but definitely some heavy rain will be possible ahead of this cold front. Well, that is the forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.